Hey there. Pet sitting starts as a favor for a neighbor and turns into a business somewhere around the fifth client, usually before anyone's tracking mileage or setting tax aside. Let me walk you through the dog walking and pet sitting business tracker, tab by tab. Start on settings, your tracking year, your platform fee percentage, your mileage rate, and your tax set aside, entered once. The Clients tab holds every owner and pet, marked recurring or one-off, with what each client has been worth to you. The Jobs log is your daily record. Date, client, service, quantity, and rate. It works out gross, platform fee, and net earned for you, and flags anything unpaid. Packages, prices your bundles, 10 walks, a week of sitting, and shows the effective per visit rate you're really charging. Mileage turns drive distance into a deduction at your rate, which for a business that lives in the car is usually the biggest write-off you have. Expenses covers leads, treats, insurance, poop bags, and everything else that comes off before profit. Tax set aside takes each month's net and reserves your percentage, with a running balance so nothing sneaks up at filing time. And the dashboard shows gross, tips, fees, mileage, and net profit for the year, split between recurring and one-off clients month by month. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.